Kyra Advani hits and flops all movies list up to Game Changer. Number 1 Fugly released in 2014 flop. Number 2 MS Dhoni released in 2016 super hit. Number 3 Machine released in 2017 flop. Number 4 Bharat Ane Nenu released in 2018 blockbuster. Number 5 Lust Stories released in 2018 hit. Number 6 Vinay Videy Rama released in 2019 flop. Number 7 Kalank released in 2019 flop. Number 8 Kabir Singh released in 2019 blockbuster. Number 9 Good News released in 2019 super hit. Number 10 Guilty released in 2020 average. Number 11 Lakshmi released in 2020 flop. Number 12 Indoor Ki Jawani released in 2020 flop. Number 13 Shersha released in 2021 super hit. Number 14 Bul Bulaya 2 released in 2022 blockbuster. Number 15 Jug Jug Jio released in 2022 average. Number 16 Govinda Naam Mera released in 2022 flop. Number 17 Satya Prem Ki Katha released in 2023 hit. నెక్స్ట్ అప్కమింగ్ మూవీస్. నంబర్ 1 గేమ్ చేంజర్. ఈ మూవీ జనవరి 10న రిలీజ్ అవ్వడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంది. నంబర్ 2 వార్ 2. ఈ మూవీ ఆగస్టులో రిలీజ్ అవ్వడానికి సిద్ధమవుతోంది. నంబర్ 3 టాక్సిక్.